My Dogecoin holders, are we seeing a recovery here after a massive, massive liquidation event? 17 billion, nearly $20 billion liquidated in the markets. Are we finally seeing a little bit of recovery here? Is it all over, or are we ready to see meme coins, altcoins, and really the entire crypto space catch a bid? We got to be talking about this. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel now. Anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. All right, guys, I want to talk about Dogecoin here. Follow me at 333 Blacksea on Twitter. I say, look how Doge respected the bullish trend. Meme coin froth may just be right around the corner. And I'm going to be honest with you guys. The way that this looks, let me zoom in for you here. We can look at the chart here shortly, but the way that this looks, we respected the bullish trend on Dogecoin, okay? And a lot of the leverage, I mean, really all the leverage got wiped out to the upside. All the longs got liquidated, and even a lot of shorts got liquidated, believe it or not. And now, once the leverage is thin, it's a lot easier to press these prices higher. And I think that when the leverage is gone, usually max pain is sending prices higher. Looking at Dogecoin, look at this. So it's pretty crazy. That massive liquidation event, all it did, I say all it did, but we cleared 1, 2, 3 support levels in a day, but we respected the bullish trend line, guys. And yeah, we wicked a little bit below, but we respected it, okay? We are above it. We did not make a new low. We did not make a cycle low. We're still in bullish price structure. And also note, first I want to say, where did it go to? It's just because I've been looking at these coins and it's been nuts. It went all the way to 15 cents, okay? Let's talk about how much of a drawdown? Nearly a 44% drawdown on Doge. You're talking billions and billions of dollars on Doge losing market cap value, okay? But regardless, now when you zoom in on this, guys, and you realize where we're at, we respected this level, and now we're back above 20 cents. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is crypto for you guys. If you're new to crypto, get used to it because you see these types of moves all the time. When you least expect it, you see these big moves, snap of a finger. And guys, I'll be honest, like, I'm not about to say that I called this drawdown, but I will say that I've been saying for a while that the price action was coiling and we were expecting a big move, but I just didn't expect it to be obviously black swan event, talking about these China tariffs to be the basically the fire to light the fuse of all this leverage buildup on these decentralized exchanges and whatnot. But I did say there was a big move coming, and we definitely saw that big move. And I will say that, was it an overreaction? Yeah, mainly because it was due to leverage, but that happens. It happens. But now that the leverage is basically gone and we're seeing over 15 cents, guys, like, it's bullish. It's bullish. It's crazy, I'm saying, but it's bullish. It is bullish that played out. And you zoom out. You just have to zoom out a little bit to see the greater picture here. And you see the curvature. You see we're going higher. And it's absolutely insane. I know it's not easy. And no one said crypto is for the faint of heart. But I think that we're going to continue to the upside here. And that's why I said in my tweet, like, meme coin froth might be right around the corner, guys. We're talking about all these bullish catalysts. Like, it just doesn't, it's crazy how many bullish catalysts. So you have the Fed cuts, you have the Fed pivot, you have potentially stimulus cuts, or excuse me, stimulus checks. You have quantitative easing. I already said that, but you have all these things. Santa Claus rally, Q4 2025, fourth and final phase of the bull market cycle. Q4 tends to be bullish for the stock market. Gold at all-time highs. Like, it's just so much. And that's why I think that, and now that the leverage is reset, like, I think that there's a world where we really do climb back up, guys. And how am I trading this right now? Right now, when it comes to Dogecoin specifically, I am sitting on my hands. I am long some coins right now, guys. I'm long Crow. I'm long Pepe. But right now, I would like to sit and see how this turns out into the weekly candle open. But I will say that in the pre-market for the stock market right now, it's green. It's green because there's a lot of backpedaling from these very hawkish, I'm going to call it hawkish, even though it's not Jerome saying it, hawkish tones from Trump talking about these tariffs for China. He's kind of stepping back and walking it back a little bit. And I think that we're going to be seeing probably a green week. And if we do see a green week, then I would be potentially looking for a long here, believe it or not. Being above 20 cents, like, probably set us up for a further move to the upside. Now, not financial advice, but if you guys do want to trade, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. We have a 10% bonus on all deposits to BTCC, and they have up to 500x leverage if you want to get a little bit degen with it. And obviously, you guys, check out all the other awesome affiliate links as well. There are a lot of lucrative bonuses. They're affiliate links that help support this channel in the pinned comment section or description box. Check them out, guys. All right, so where's Doge? Doge is at rank 8, down 18% in the past 7 days, but up 12% in the past 24 hours, up 0.24% in the past hour, catching a little bit of bid. Pre-market just opened on the stock market at the time of recording this video, so I'm curious to see how this plays out throughout the day. I do think, though, that the stock market's going to be green today and probably this week, as long as Trump doesn't say any more scary things about tariffs in China. I think that we're going to see a green week here, and really it's that dip that we saw on Friday was probably like the time to get in, believe it or not, but that's how I'm viewing it right now. You look at Doge, we're sitting at $31.51 billion market cap, so that must mean that, I'm curious, how much of the market cap did we lose? They have emoji. What the heck was that? I wonder how much we lost on this drawdown to where we were at, from 24% to what? To where are we at now? Let's see. So, yeah, so we probably lost, like, what is that? Over $10 billion on the market cap of Doge yesterday. It was absurd. And now we regained it, right? Crazy stuff. And now looking at crypto, over the crypto market overview here, Bitcoin's at about 115,000. Bitcoin dominance can't really make its mind up, but it did make itself up all the way to 62% when you're excluding stablecoins. ETH back over 4K. Green, guys. It's green. And I think that we're going to see this play out for the rest of this week. Like I said, unless there's more tariff talk, really. And I mean, I expect tariff talk, but I think that there's going to be more backpedaling of these China tariffs than there is about posturing towards, I guess, tighter tariffs, right? A more predatory tariff regime. I don't even know what words I'm saying, trying to explain this, but you guys know what I'm trying to say. I think that there's going to be more backtracking on this talk than there is. Actually, no, it's not 100%. It's going to be 150%. I don't expect there's going to be that posturing this week. I think we're going the opposite way, and I think it's going to be bullish for the markets. But guys, let me know in the comment section below. What do you guys think? Do you think Dogecoin can get a full recovery? Do you think we're going to go to new all-time highs this cycle? You know, Q4, we still have plenty of time. We're not even halfway through the first month of Q4, guys. I think we're probably going to see further continuation of the upside, but it's really going to be dependent in the short term of how high and how far we're going to go, in my opinion. But that's all I got, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Check out all the awesome affiliate links down below. Help support this channel and take advantage of those lucrative bonuses. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.